Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for the Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I am Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today, as promised, I have the recently launched and recently tried lipstick review along with swatches with and without makeup. So let's get into the review video without any further delay. So the first lipstick is the recently launched lipstick from Love Earth, which is their Softy Tinty lipstick. So they say it is infused with vitamin E, squalene and peptide. I picked the shade Mocha Melt and this is how the packaging looks like. As you can see, speaking about the packaging, it looks quite flimsy and very average according to me. But the MRP of this lipstick is around $6.99. I purchased on Amazon for like $2.99, I guess, $2.99 or 300. So I thought, okay, let's just give it a try because the texture of the lipstick feels like the Mars Matte Muse lipstick, as I said in the previous video as well. So packaging wise, it's quite an average one, but the shade looks absolutely gorgeous on our brown dusky skin tone. It's a very beautiful warm to neutral toned brown shade. So this is the shade Mocha Melt and this is how it looks like. It is a very beautiful shade. Again, the formula is a very lightweight comfortable formula which looks like a blurred lips and it looks so good. I really love blurred lip look and this formulation is really great. It isn't smudge proof but it is transfer proof, so for everyday it's a very comfortable formula. Great, yeah, everything I like about it except for the packaging, so this would get a 8 on 10. The second lipstick is one of my most favorite lipstick. I've already tried it and they launched few more new shades, so I wanted to try one of them and it is none other than Fair Beauty Lip Whip. I have the shade Steamy with me right now. It's a very beautiful cool tone brown shade. It's like a brown leather shade. So again, the formula, it's like, oh my god, it's one of my most favorite lipstick because it has a whipped cream kind of a formula. It's very lightweight comfortable formula and this is how the shade Steamy looks like. Can you look at that one swipe pigmentation? Again, it has a mousse like texture, very beautiful comfortable formula, great for everyday use, and I feel this is gonna be my perfect everyday brown nude shade for like everyday without makeup, and with makeup it looks so gorgeous without a lip liner. So everything about it is so good. It is almost transfer proof and it is long lasting as well. It's very comfortable formula and one of my most favorite lip formulations, so that might say how much I love it, right? So this gets a complete 10 on 10, one of the beautiful lipsticks. Do try this out and thank me later. The third lipstick is from Swiss Beauty. Yes, this is their Mud Pie lipstick and I must be the last person to try it out. So whenever I wanted to try it, the shades were always out of stock. So I have the shade Innovator. It's a beautiful true red shade. I really love this shade on me with and without makeup. So this is how the shade looks like. Can you look at that one swipe pigmentation? Oh my god, it's such a beautiful red that looks gorgeous in our brown dusky skin tone. So even with this, you do not need any lip liner, and this is again mousse kind of a formula. It's very creamy, lightweight, super comfortable, great for everyday use. And even with this, it provides a beautiful blurry lip look, which I always like and always prefer. So for the price we pay, this is completely worth it. It is transfer proof. It is very comfortable. It's long lasting as well. So what more do we need in a liquid lipstick, right? This would get a 9.5 on 10. In my previous lipstick review video, I spoke about Kiro Beauty Lip Stack, right? So let me see if I have it. Yeah. So I spoke about Kiro Beauty Lip Stack and this had one disadvantage that I really felt, and it has all shades of brown. So like for a travel friendly makeup, I wanted to have a red, a pink, a brown, like everything mixed together. Just one lipstick will be good to go. I said it right. So I have one option for you which you can definitely give it a try. It is so good. It's none other than this Pearl Girl Beauty lipstick. So the outer packaging looks something like this. This is called the Gloss Matte 4-in-1 lip collection. So they have two different variants. One is like the bold shades for like deep dusky skin tone, and another one are like soft nude shades which is made for fair to medium skin tone. And you have one red, one magenta pink and one beautiful warm brown shade, and fourth is a lip gloss. So you can create a number of looks with these, like matte looks and glossy lip looks. So the packaging, it's very beautiful, but for me, I felt that the gloss is slightly leaking. Otherwise, this looks so stunning, like a luxurious packaging. I really love it. So speaking about the shades, all these three look so good on a brown dusky skin tone without a lip liner. As you can see, the swatches with and without makeup. This red is a beautiful true red again. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's somewhere in between. Perfect red. And the pink as well, it's a beautiful magenta pink. It's not too fuchsia pink, it's not too bright, it's subtle, it's right for a brown dusky skin tone. And this warm brown shade is one of the most beautiful everyday brown lip shade, I would say. It's very great without a brown lip liner. So you can create matte looks and glossy lip looks with these, and absolutely love it. The lipstick formulation as well, very lightweight, comfortable formula. It's pitch pigmented. Let me just show you the swatch. Can you just see that one swipe pigmentation again? It is super pigmented, extremely comfortable formula. It's a matte formula, it's transfer proof, long lasting. Everything about it is just so good. So as my packaging is slightly leaking like the gloss one, so I would give this a 9.5 on 10. Now we spoke about 4 lipsticks, right? So now I have 2 lip stains. So first one is from Lamior. It's their hydrating lip gloss stain. So I picked the shade Plum Soaked. I really love this unique packaging. So once you open the cap, you have this sponge-like cushion applicator, as you can see here. So it just hugs to your lips and applies evenly. So you have to twist it once or twice so that the product dispenses out, and then you can just apply it on your lips. So I really love the packaging. It's very unique, so good for a lip stain. So the shade Plum Soaked, it's a very beautiful plum shade which has a purple undertone in it. Can you see that one swipe pigmentation again? It looks so good, a very beautiful bold plum shade that's gonna look so gorgeous. Even if you are deeper than me, it's gonna suit you so well. So does it work like as a lip stain? Yes, it does work. It does not leave too much of stain. It feels like a natural lip stain, but even on my two-tone pigmented lips, it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I love it so much. Even after wiping it off or pressing it, the pigment, the stain looks good and it feels quite hydrating. It isn't drying at all, which is something great. Speaking about the longevity, yes, it's quite long lasting. Even after you wipe it off after a meal, it does stay for a while and it just fades off slowly. So everything about it is so good. For the price we pay, it's completely worth it, and I would give this a rating of 9 on 10. Lastly, we have a viral lip tint stain from L'Oreal Paris. Yes, this is the Hyaluron Tint Lip Stain Serum. I picked the shade Boreox Please, and it's a beautiful, again, subtle toned red shade. It's not too bright, it's very subtle down, and that's what I'm wearing right now. It's a very beautiful shade for our brown dusky skin tone. So this is half the shade. Boreox Please looks like so. This is a very beautiful red maroon shade, very subtle, so good. Even you can just settle down the pigment or build the pigment according to your liking. So this leaves like a very beautiful stain. It's not natural or subtle like the Lamior one. It leaves a very good stain, but it does not dry out my lips as well. But the longevity is quite lesser than the Lamior one. So after I eat a meal, there's no stain on my lips. It's like almost 80% it's gone. So after that, you can definitely reapply it because it does not dry out your lips. It feels hydrating, not nourishing, but hydrating enough. So it's like very good one. For everyday use, you can definitely try it out. If you don't prefer lipsticks which makes you feel dry and heavy like throughout the day, you can definitely give this a try. It leaves a beautiful, can you look at that tint? After wiping it off or rubbing it off, this is how the stain looks like. So this is just so good. For the longevity, I would just decrease a point and I would give this 8.5 on 10. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. If you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And until next time, bye bye.